In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Sora 2 and Veo 3 using an AI video test. We'll dive into each step of the process to ensure you can fully understand how to effectively evaluate these platforms. First, you'll want to prepare both platforms. This means signing into both Sora 2 and Veo 3, which can be done through either their web interfaces or apps, depending on your preference. Make sure that you have the necessary access to AI video generation features on both platforms, as this will be crucial for creating the videos we'll compare later. Next, choose a test script. Select or create a short story, dialogue, or script that you plan to use in both Sora 2 and Veo 3. It's important to keep this consistent so that the results you generate are easily comparable. Now, let's move on to creating a video in Sora 2. Begin by opening Sora 2 and creating a new project designated for AI videos. Enter your chosen script, and then select the characters, backgrounds, voice, and style that you want for your video. Once everything is set up, generate the video, and be sure to save it for later comparison. Now repeat a similar process in Veo 3. Open Veo 3 and start a new AI video project just as you did in Sora 2. Enter the same script you used previously to maintain consistency. Select characters, backgrounds, voice, and style that closely match what you chose in Sora 2. Generate this video and save it as well. With both videos created, you're ready to compare them. Watch both videos side by side. As you view them, evaluate key aspects such as visual quality, ensuring you pay attention to animation, clarity, and the backgrounds used. You should also assess the facial expressions and character movements, since these elements greatly impact the realism and engagement of the video. Don't forget to evaluate the voice and audio quality. A seamless and high-quality audio experience is fundamental as it impacts the viewer's overall impression. Additionally, consider the ease of use, how intuitive and quick each platform's interface was, as this can influence your choice if workflow efficiency is a priority. Lastly, examine the customization options each platform offers, because flexibility can be a significant advantage depending on your specific needs or creative requirements. Having completed your evaluation, it's time to document your results. Take notes or create a comparison table that itemizes the strengths and weaknesses of each platform. This will help you remember your insights and make a more informed decision. Highlight both the positive and negative aspects you noticed for each. Remember, a thorough evaluation involves not just identifying these points, but also considering which features matter most to your particular needs and preferences. This methodical approach ensures that your final choice aligns best with what you aim to achieve in your AI video creations.